Now make sure you get me, Mason, everything in the fish, okay?
Okay. Mason caught a fish,
Come on,
and
reel it
it's
in slow.
a different one.
Reel it in. Turn the wheel nice and slow. Turn the wheel.
That's right.
Turn the wheel. Hurry, reel him in.
Come on, Mason, you got this.
Come on, reel him in, reel him in. Hurry.
Faster, Mason, faster.
Turn it, turn it,
Turn
buddy,
it, turn it.
Bubba, watch what you're doing.
And Mason caught a fish. Now, what's this fish?
I think this one is a perch.
A perch.
Yeah, this one's a perch.
Mason caught a perch. A beautiful fish.
What are you gonna name him?
I know.
What?
I don't know. Maybe Nemo. I'm gonna name him.
That's the fish.
Nemo. I'm name him Nemo.
Okay.
Dad.
Look at the fish face.
Put it down.
Dad, you know, I'm gonna name
Here's
him.
Dad holding the
Can I name him?
Check it out. Oh!
fishy. He's fluffy.
You caught a fishy.
Got a fish, huh? There you go. Got him?
Yep.
All
Don't
right,
touch
let's throw him back. Hurry, hurry, hurry. We gotta throw him back.
Let's throw it back.
Come on, we gotta throw him back.
Because you're gonna die? Ow.
Look, there he goes. He's gone.
Yep. Dad, turn off the camera.
Just hit the top button.
This